The most fragile moment of family travel isn't the flight itself. It begins right after landing. Kids are exhausted, someone is crying, the stroller hasn't arrived yet, the luggage feels overwhelming, and you're expected to make decisions instantly. This is the moment that decides everything. Either the vacation begins now or much later. With kids, you can't improvise, you can't gamble, and you can't hope that it will somehow work out because every detail becomes either calm or stress. I've seen this difference again and again. Some families stand by the exit, refreshing their phones, silently hoping they get lucky. Others move through the airport calmly. The difference isn't money, it's mindset. Planning ahead means reclaiming control. When you book a transfer in advance, something shifts. You're no longer managing logistics, you're simply moving forward together. Real service isn't about cars or apps, it's about people. A real driver who understands this isn't just a ride, it's a family. We wait when you're late, flights get delayed, life happens, your driver waits without pressure, without extra stress. Your ride, your way, a child seat already in place, space for every bag, your name on a sign, because everything was considered. Premium cars don't have to mean premium stress. You get comfort, safety, and personal service, often for less than a regular taxi. This is the world's #1 transfer marketplace, operating in over 150 countries with thousands of drivers and millions of completed rides. You request a ride, drivers offer their prices, and you choose the best option. That's how transparency replaces uncertainty. In a world of algorithms, we believe in human connection, not just a silent ride, but a warm welcome. Family travel doesn't have to begin with chaos. It can begin with quiet, with the simple feeling that someone was waiting for you, and if a journey has to begin, this is how it should start.